hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect. So yesterday what we have seen, guys, we have seen some commands about how to push your changes, how to get pull, how to create a new branch, and what else, guys? How to add command and all, and how to what are the git add command and git commit, git push. So some of the commands we have seen, guys, right? Did you get chance to practice all of them? Guys, did you get chance to create your own account in GitHub and try to practice?
Not yet, sir. I practiced Maven yesterday. GitHub, I am yet to practice.
Okay, please practice
Sir,
it,
I
guys.
didn't get
So,
yesterday session, sir. Recording.
sorry,
I didn't get yesterday session, sir. Recording.
yesterday's recording, you did not get it?
Yes, sir.
Only you or everyone?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. So let me check on the recording side.
Okay, sir.
So, yeah. So
Yeah,
today, our
sir. Yeah.
sorry.
We did not get some recording yesterday's.
Oh, you did not get it? Okay.
Yeah.
Sure. Let me check that. Yeah. Fine. So what all the things we have seen yesterday? We started with GitHub, and I'm going to show you today from the Eclipse how we need to do all these. Whatever the operations I told you, how we need to do all of these from the Eclipse side and all. Perfect. So mostly in real time and all, we do it from, depends on the project. So depends on the comfortability to the automation engineer. Either he can do it from command prompt or Git bash, or he can do it from directly from the Eclipse also. Okay, perfect. So let me share my screen. But before that, yesterday we talked about Srikanth asked, right, related to the listeners part. Okay, let me show you that how it is working, the listeners part and all. Yeah, this is only the pending, right? So you can see here already I told you, right, what are all the different methods will be there. Which one we are implementing, guys? I test listener we are implementing, and I'm extending with the base page also. Why base page means I'm trying to get the driver, I'm trying to get the test from the base page. So the listeners class, whenever test is failure, okay, whenever test failed, it will come here and it will take the screenshot for us. Okay, so try to understand the code what I have written here. First statement to get the date. Next, okay, so we are trying to get the date in this format. In this format, we are trying to get the date. Next, result dot get name. So your method name, you are going to get it. Okay, and date time, this I am appending, and at the ending, I am appending with what? Dot .png. This is your file name, guys. This is your file name. So your method name and your date name, this date name and dot .png. You are creating a some screenshot name, and a take screenshot of name you are passing. So take screenshot method is here. Guys, this all we have seen already. Anybody remember this syntax? Take
Yes, sir.
screenshot. Already we have discussed, guys. Take screenshot part. Okay. Already we have seen this. So take screenshot of base page. From the base page, I'm getting the driver. Okay. And file utils dot copy file. Whatever the screenshot we are having, it is going to copy. Okay. And then what you are doing, guys, this is the statement to append your screenshot into your extend report. Okay. So base page dot test you are getting. So it is a failure case and your screenshot. So by add screen capture from path, this is the method to add the screenshot. Okay. And your screenshot you created where here? You created into the screenshot folder only. And this is its file name. Same file name I am trying to append it into the our report. Guys, are you understanding? So what we are doing, guys, whenever on test failure will be there, we are coming here. The method, whenever it is failed, control will come to here and it will perform all the actions for us. What first date name, for the uniqueness of our file name, we are taking the date and we are building the name. Take screenshot name, this name only we are passing, so it is going to create our screenshot for us. And same name you are trying to use here to append your screenshot into the extent report. Okay. Let me try that. So login test is there. Okay. Deposit amount. Let me check this, how these three are working. Okay, deposit amount is failed. Okay, finally, I have already created the, okay, this test case intentionally I am making fail. Deposit amount, verify the amount. See, balance not equal to amount I have given here. This is not equal to. Actually here, equal to need required, not equal to I am providing to make this test case fail. Okay, now let me run it. Okay, when on test failure method will be invoked, guys, when our test case assertion failed, okay, whenever assertion failed, then this method will be invoked automatically. Okay. Did I applied in TestNG.xml, the listener part? Okay, first test case is completed successfully. The second test case is started. Yeah, third test case is also started, guys. Okay, when this method will be invoked, guys, on test failure, when there is a assertion in your script. When there is a assertion fail, then on test failure method will be invoked. What is happening, guys? My internet is slow or what? The script execution is too slow. Yeah. Okay. Script execution is completed successfully. Oh, two test cases are passed. Okay, whatever the reason it is, fine. Let me go back to the, let me refresh on it. So, and see, you can able to see here extent report, right? So open with your web browser. See, two test cases are failed. See, this test case screenshot taken. This test case also screenshot taken. Okay. So like this way, you can add the screenshots also. Whatever the failed test cases will be there, it is going to take the screenshot along with your statements. Okay. These are all the statements it performed, but deposit is not working. We are making this test case intentionally fail. Okay, this test case user login also some problem happened here, and yeah, this is also failed. Fine, guys. Like this way, we can work with the listeners, guys. Everybody clear about this? Any doubts on this, listeners? Guys, this weekend you four will be having mock interviews, guys. Today is Friday, right? Tomorrow or day after. Okay. So please prepare all the things, whatever we discussed so far. So we will be having mock interviews for you guys. Okay. And please let us know your available timings. It will be in June, will be there. So some of our trainers will be doing the mock interviews for you guys instead of I am doing. Okay, so please let me know your available timings. At the same time, we will check with trainer availability also. Okay, so yeah, so now mock interviews will be there, whatever we have completed so far. And then at the end of the course also, again, one more time mock interview will be there for you guys. Okay. And I'm going to put all the interview questions into the shared drive today. Please check it out one more time. All the interview questions like manual, general questions, manual, Selenium, database, Java, all the questions I prepared based on my experience into frequently asked questions. I'm going to put it into the shared drive. Please, you can check it out. Any question you don't know, please let me know. Please down on it and let me know. Okay, guys? Yeah. So this weekend, like tomorrow or day after, please, in that WhatsApp group, you can let us know your availability. At the same time.
Question. Sorry.
Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. So please let us know your availability so that our trainers will do mock interviews for you and where you are and how you are and all. Even now, this weekend, and at the same time, at the end of our course also, again, we will do a couple of mock interviews for you to cross-check where you are and where to improve and all. Okay, fine. Yes, Srikanth.
Yeah. Do you going to provide any document? But in starting, there is no provision of document. you told.
Which documents you're talking about?
I mean this total course. Any syntax, how to give an explanation.
For the Selenium?
Yeah, Selenium.
Yeah,
And,
yeah, I do have one document, right? I will provide you. What is there in it?
on all this GitHub movements.
See, Maven and TestNG. Yeah, sure. I will provide you the documentation. Don't worry. Whatever we are discussing, everything. Already I'm having some documentations and let me cross check one more time. And by this weekend or Monday or Tuesday, I will provide you all these documents. Okay.
Sure, sir. Thank you. Thank you for information.
Yeah. No issues. Okay. Like this way, we can work with the listeners, guys. Now come back to the guys. As I told you, please let us know your availability in this weekend for the mock interviews. Okay, fine. And let me start with the GitHub, guys. Yesterday we have seen, right, GitHub part. Yesterday we have seen like this is the GitHub part we have created yesterday. New project we have created, right? What is the new project I have created? Online banking project. This is the one I have created yesterday. Okay. Only one text file is there here. Okay. One text file is there here. And also I have created a new branch. Venkat, I have created a new branch also. Okay, perfect. Now I want to do all the things from the where, guys? From the Eclipse. Eclipse is the tool for where we want to perform all the operations and all. Okay, very good. Let me keep this file as it is. Some steps you need to follow before going to perform any operation on the any operation on it. So first you need to follow some steps, guys. First, you can check it out. Git is available in your Eclipse or not. If it is not available, you need to install it. That's it. Okay. Fine. Some steps we need to follow, guys. Those are all, you see, first install Git into your Eclipse. By default, you will get it in Eclipse, guys. You don't need to install anything. Install Git in your Eclipse. Okay. Install Git into your Eclipse. So go to the Eclipse. You can see here. If you want, you can install new software, or install not new software, Eclipse Marketplace. The same framework I'm going to upload into shared, I mean, in the GitHub, guys. You can access from there. You can download it from there, guys. Yeah. It seems my internet is a bit slow, guys. I don't know. I hope in the January and all the calls will be very good, guys. So please be well prepared with the subject. Okay. Yeah. How is the market in US, Monica?
It's very less, sir. Calls are like very less nowadays.
Yeah, calls are very less. Are you checking frequently in Monster and Indeed and all?
Yeah, in LinkedIn, I'm checking, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, now dry market is there. So I think in the January, because the new budget will be allocated from January, right? We can expect more and more calls in January. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
But you believe or not, guys, this much subject nobody will give in the market. You believe or not. So yeah, so you can search with Git here, guys. But by default, you will get the Git repository, guys. You don't need to worry about it. The Eclipse, by default, you will get the Git. See, Git integration for Eclipse. Okay, this is the plugin you need to install. I already installed. Guys, are you getting my point? Git
Yes.
integration for Eclipse is there, right? You need to install this one. Okay, perfect. This is the first step you need to do. Okay, fine. Git installing is done. The next part, what you are going to do is, like, you need to search for the Git here. Here in the search button is there, right? You need to search for Git here. Git. You're going to get the Git repositories, guys. What you are going to get? You are going to get Git repositories. See here, click on this. See Git repositories. You can able to see here Git repositories. Okay, so you can search here Git and Git repositories. Okay, we'll display it here. Next, what you need to do is, okay, so next display Git repositories, guys. Git repositories displayed for us. The next part, what you need to do is, to want to work with any repository handle, first you need to clone the remote repository, guys. You need to clone the remote repository. What is our remote repository, guys? Come back here and check it out. This is our remote repository, right? So online banking, you can come here and copy this one, guys. Copy this path. This is the copy this path. Okay, perfect. So here, can you able to see three buttons are there? Existing local Git, clone a Git repository, create a new Git repository. What we need to do? We need to clone a Git repository. Okay. Yeah. The project automatically came. These credentials are not mandatory here. And yeah, repository path online banking project.git. Okay, click next. Okay, that's fine. 2 branches. Okay, click next. Click on finish. Okay, see, online banking project, one local repository is created successfully. What happened, guys? One local repository is created and it is having integration with the remote repo. What we have done, guys, one local repository we have created. Local repository means what happened, guys? Clone the Git repository means it has the relation to the from your local to your, it has the relation from where, guys? This is, let me assume this is your local repository you have created. And yeah, local repository you have cloned. It means you cloned. It means you cloned the repo. So this is having the relation to the remote repo. This is having relation to what, guys? Integration with the remote repo, remote repository. Okay, guys, this point is clear so far, everyone? What we have done, we cloned it. It means in local repository, you cloned it, and it is having relation to what? Remote repository and all. Now what we need to do, guys, so far it is fine. Okay, you created a new local repository, and you can see here different branches also. See, different branches also you can create here. See, origin is, main is there, Venkat is there, everything will come here. Working tree, nothing is there, only this only file is there. That's it. Perfect. So now the next step, guys, you have cloned successfully. Now link your existing project, link your existing project to your local repo. What you need to do, guys? You need to link your existing project to your local repo. How you are going to link it? See here. Okay, now there is no relation between these two. This is your local repository you cloned from the Git repository. Okay, now what you need to do? You need to link these two. This your project and this repo. Very simple. Right click on it. Go to the team. Can you able to see here? Share project. Guys, can you able to say here? Share project. Yeah, right click on your project. Go to the share project. Okay. Here you are going to share. Here you need to select your local repo. Okay. You need to select here your local repo and what is online banking project. Okay. Click on finish. Now this local project and this local repo. What is the problem? Hey, what is the problem? So could not move. I think because of this existing file, it is creating the problem or what? Let me check. Okay, I deleted all the old files, guys. Okay, perfect. It is pushed. I deleted all the old files from that project and all. Okay, very good. Now you can see here, nothing will be there here. Are we referring to any other repository or what? Oh, I got it. Now we are in main branch. So in the Venkat branch, everything is deleted successfully. Okay. You want to delete to the main branch and all. What you need to do, guys? What you need to do? So main branch also I want to delete. Git branch. So now you are on which branch, guys? Now you are in. You need to. Okay, you move to main branch. Here also, you want to delete everything. Okay, that's fine. These are all, I don't think any issue for us. So let me click on create. Okay, now I deleted everything. So now it is working fine. Okay, these two, now your local repository to your local project relation is happened successfully. You can able to see here online banking project main.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Now there is a linking. Now I want to push my code from here to my repository, remote repository. How you can do, guys? Very simple. Right click on it. You you're going to get so many options here now. So many options we are going to get it now. But frequently we will use git commit. Stashes also we will use. Okay, and switch to you want to create a new branch and all you can use it. Pull command you can use. That's it, not more than that and all. Okay. So for now, what I want to do, guys, I first I want to commit my changes. Okay. I want to what, guys? Commit my changes. How I am going to commit it. Commit my change. Right click on it. Go to team. Commit. Yeah, these are all the files are there. Unstaged changes. What you need to do, you need to move like manually you are executing some command, right? Git add dot. Guys, manually you are executing, I mean, in the command line, you are executing git add dot git commit, right?
Yes, sir.
Those two commands equal to this statement. Okay, you are moving your changes from unstaged to what? Staging. And you need to provide here the, you need to provide here your commit message. So pushing all the project code. Guys, one more thing you need to do here. Before you are pushing, one more thing you need to do. Sometimes you know what happened. It will not allow your username and password. You need to create a token, guys. You need to create a token. Okay. So sometimes it will not allow for us. You need to create a token for us. Okay. So how you are creating this URL, I am pinging you guys. Please keep it with you. You need to create it because while you are pushing the changes and all, it will ask you the token. Sometimes it will allow with your GitHub password only, but most of the times it will not allow. You need the token for it. Very simple. Now we are going to create a token for our account. This is the URL. Click on here. Generate new token classic. Click on it. It is asking my password. Okay, fine. Any note you can give, or I'm creating new expiration token. Select all these, whatever are available here. Select all these check boxes. Because with this token, what are all the operations we can do and all, it talks about all these check boxes. You can create all here. Okay, perfect. And generate token. All I have selected, right? Okay. This is no expiration token. Okay, not. This is my token. Any note you can give here. Generate token. Okay, this is your token. Okay, expired on. Why it is saying expired on Monday, December 12th, 2022. Okay, this is my token. I copied already. We'll see whether it is working or not. Okay, I want to paste somewhere my token. Okay, this is my token, guys. Now, okay, your token is generated successfully. You're going to perform all the operations by using this token. Okay, perfect. Now come back to the Eclipse. Okay, you want to perform. Now click on commit and push. Instead of your password, now you need to enter what? Your token. Commit and push. It will ask you, yeah, here you need to enter online testing help. You need to enter the token. Click on login. See, successfully it is pushed all your changes. Okay, now you can go there and check it out. You can come here and check it out, whether it is pushed properly or not. Okay, which project we are talking about? Online banking project. See, online banking project is successfully pushed all your changes here. Guys, are you getting my point? It is pushed all your changes successfully.
Yeah.
Okay, like this way, you can perform from the Eclipse, guys. Like this way, you can perform from where? From the Eclipse side and all. Okay, or you want to change something here, very simple. You want to add some commenting and all, or you want to remove this file, anything, whatever you want. I want to delete this file, or I want to some commenting I want to add. For example, deposit amount is there. Deposit amount, and just I'm adding some commenting here. Log out. Some files I'm trying to change it. Verify user login is there. Here also I'm going to verify welcome text. See, some files I have changed it. Again, I need to what, guys? Again, I need to push my changes. Click on it. What, guys? Come to the team and commit. See, these are all the files it is changed. Move the here and add the comment. Added the comments. Added the comments. Click on commit and push. It will ask you your username and password. Online testing help. Okay, you can enter your password. See, it is done successfully. You can go there and check it out, guys. See, it is going to see here. Added the comments is done successfully. It is showing, right? So like this way, you can work with your project. Okay. Like this way, you can work with what, guys? Your project over here. Perfect, guys. Everybody is clear what is happening. So like this way, you can perform the changes. But still, we need to discuss few more things actually. Okay, we need to discuss few more things here. Like, yeah. So we need to discuss about pull command already, you know, right? Guys, already you know about what? Push and pull. I showed you here, right? Right click on it. So far we have seen commit. Similarly, you want to pull the code from GitHub to here. You can click on pull and all the code will be pulled to here. all the code will be pulled to here. That is the use of a pull command, guys. Pull means getting the changes from the remote repo into your local. Okay, that is about the commit, pull commands and all, guys. Okay, so remaining things you want to push to main branch or you want to push to origin. These all you can test it out, guys. But mostly we used commit and pull commands, or you want to create a new branch. See, switch to new branch. You want to create your new branch, you can create here. New branch also successfully you can create here. So that is what you can able to do it. Okay. Yeah. So next, last two things will be there, guys, for the today. Last two things are there. We're going to discuss those two things now. One is yeah, pull request and conflicts, guys. See, try to understand carefully here. In our project, okay. In our project, okay. Sorry. In our project, different people will be there, guys. 4 people are working, for example. Your code is here. Okay, this is your remote repo. 4 people are working. 4 people are working. Person A is working, person B is working, person C is working. Okay. And person D is working on our project. Okay. This is your what? This is your remote repository. This is your remote repository. Everybody trying to get the code from here or pushing the code to here. Everybody pushing the code and getting the code. They all maintaining code here. Guys, are you clear so far? What we are doing? 4 members are there in our project. Everybody is updating their code into the remote repository and from Eclipse or command line, whatever it is. So person A changed one file called F1 file. He updated his own changes. Same F1 file B also updated. But F1 pushed these changes successfully into the remote rep. But same file, different changes he has done. Same file according to his changes he has done, he is trying to push it into the remote repository. He is getting the error saying that already there are changes in this file. You cannot push your file. Guys, are you clear about what I'm telling? He pushed already to the remote repository. He done some changes on the F1 file according to his requirement. For the other requirement, B also he has done his own changes. He is trying to push it, but it is giving conflict. I can say what? He is getting conflicts. Conflicts means saying that you are trying to push your changes, but those changes are replacing some other code in the same file. Okay. When you are trying to merge your code or push your code, you are going to get a conflicts. And same file, somebody else updated his code, same code you want to update it according to your requirement, then you will get what, guys? Conflicts you are going to get it. Since in our remote repo only I am there, I cannot show you here. What you can do is you 4 can create one repository and give access to your 4 members. Try to push it. One can change one file and push the same file again and again. Then you are going to get a conflicts. Guys, are you understanding my point? What you need to do in this case, whenever you are getting conflicts, everybody clear about what is conflict? Guys, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
What is conflict? Conflict means something you are trying to push your code, then GitHub is not allowing us to push it because of the same file someone else has done changes, then it is not allowed to you to again push it to the same file because that file is having different code. So that is nothing but conflicts, guys. Okay, that is nothing but conflicts. How to resolve it and all, I will tell you tomorrow. Okay, and similar way, we're going to see about PRs also will be there. Whenever you have done any commit and all, you need to raise pull request, guys. You need to raise what? pull request. These two things let we discuss tomorrow, guys. Okay, how you need to resolve the conflicts and how you need to do the pull requests and all. So these two things are pending in the GitHub bundle. At the same time, tomorrow I'm going to start with the Jenkins part also. Okay, please try to practice all the commands. Okay, what are the commands I told you? Please try to practice all those commands and come back to me if anything is not working. Okay, yeah, this is about the GitHub part from the Eclipse, guys. Okay, yeah, tomorrow in the beginning I will tell you how to resolve the conflicts and all, and how to raise a pull request. Okay, in real time and all, we used to raise the pull requests, guys. These two things let me try to learn tomorrow, and then we will start with the Jenkins part, guys. Okay, and then we'll start with the Jenkins part, how Jenkins is working and all we'll see. And from the Jenkins, we will try to run our project, how we need to. Jenkins is main user for scheduling, guys. That we will learn tomorrow. Okay, perfect, guys. Any other questions, anything before wrapping it for today? Sure, Srikanth, as you asked, all these documents I will provide you by next week beginning. Whatever we discussed, everything will be there in those documents. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Perfect. Okay, guys, then thank you so much. See you tomorrow at same time. Thank you.